In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best free and paid video editing apps you can get on your iPhone in 2019. Coming up. Hey guys, welcome to Mobile Creators, giving you the tips, tricks, and tools to create awesome content on nothing but your smartphones. And like I said, we're talking about the best free and the best paid app for video editing. So with that, let's just jump into it. So the best free app that you can get for video editing is going to be iMovie, which is kind of obvious. iMovie is completely free, you don't have ads, there's not going to be weird logos of whatever video editing app you're using like those other video editors have. It's completely free and it's very simple to use and it gets the job done. I actually did a tutorial, which I'll link down in the description below, where in 5 minutes I give you the whole rundown of iMovie and how to use it effectively, so be sure to go watch that in the description below if you're going to be using iMovie in the future. But if you're on a budget and can't really spend money on apps, just go with iMovie, learn the ins and outs of it, and get good with it. It's going to be a reliable app that's free, and it's going to get the job done. Now, the best paid app that you can get for video editing is going to have to be Luma Fusion. Hands down, there is not a single thing on any other mobile device that is as powerful as Luma Fusion. It is absolutely mind-blowing. Which also, with Luma Fusion, I also did a tutorial on how to edit using Luma Fusion. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Luma Fusion, however, is also, I believe it's like anywhere between $10 to $20 depending when you buy it. It's pretty expensive, but the thing is, you're not getting something that is poor quality. You are getting literally one of the best video editing apps out there. It's like when it comes to camera apps, there is nothing like Filmic Pro out there. Filmic Pro is at the top level. It has all the best features, and then all the other apps are way down here. That's the same with Luma Fusion. Luma Fusion has completely taken the lead, and there's nothing out there better than that. From editing text to doing really advanced effects to like anything, Luma Fusion completely is a home run. So if you're going to go for a free app, just get iMovie, download it, use it, get good with it. When you're ready to take your game a little bit serious and go to the next level, download Luma Fusion. That is going to be the best video editor. And then once you get the ins and outs of that, you're going to be an incredible video editor on your mobile device. So a question I have for you, if you don't use iMovie or Luma Fusion, what do you use to edit your videos on your smartphone? Let me know down below in the comments section. But that about does it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.